The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had laid the foundation stone for the P A Sangma International Medical College and Hospital at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya on the 3rd of October 2022. Those present during the occasion was Minister of Education, Government of Meghalaya, Lakhmen Rymbui, the Chancellor of USTM, Mahbubul Hoque, and others. Speaking to the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that it is befitting that the foundation stone of the first private medical college of USTM is being laid when India is celebrating its 75th year anniversary of Indian independence, Meghalaya celebrating its 50th year of statehood, and the year also marks 75 years of Late P A Sangma's birth. The Chief Minister further said that for the government, every development is important, but the most important investment that any government can make is in human capital. He also said that colleges and universities should not only give education to the youth, but also have an important role of doing research and innovation. In the meantime, thorough discussions are on to see how the government can collaborate and work with USTM, especially as far as the medical college is concerned, informed Chief Minister Conrad Sangma.
In the middle of all of this, the most important investment that any government can make is in the investment of human capital. And if you look at the next 15 years to 20 years that is going to come, the biggest challenge for us as a nation, not just as a state, is going to be the challenge of actually channelizing and taking our youth forward. Mr. P A Sangma used to always believe that India being a very young country, we have a very strong young force. If this young force and this energy that we saw today and which is there in India is able to be channelized in the right way, nurtured in the right way, it is only then can this country move forward. No matter how much investment we may make in any other form of developmental aspects, unless our youth are not channelized and they are not invested in, none of the other investments are going to make any difference. Because it is the youth and the people that are going to run this nation. And hence, P A Sangma believes that we must invest in our youth. We see problems of insurgency, sometimes it's going down, but we had problems of insurgency in the northeast. We have a lot of challenges in different parts of the country also. And the reason why we see this happening, it's not because that is the problem for us. We sometimes as political leaders, we think that problems like insurgency are the problem. But what we don't realize is that insurgency and other problems related to the social structure of society is an actual result of the problem, not the problem in itself. And when I say that, when I talk about insurgency, which I've been talking for a very long time, almost 20 years I spoke about this. That unless you don't channelize the energy of the youth and invest in them, they will go on the wrong way. And if they go on the wrong way, they will become a destructive force because the energy cannot be stopped. You cannot stop the energy of the youth. You can only channelize it. And that's the reason why Mr. P A Sangma believed that human capital investment is the biggest investment that this nation can make, society can make, and any government can make. And hence for us also as a government, we have realized that youth policy is important. And as you're aware, we have come up with youth policy, we have come up with detailed programs under youth policy. A number of things are happening. This may not be the right forum to go into details about all of that. But I think this is definitely a situation where I could share with you the thoughts that our great leader, Mr. P A Sangma, had. Another thing which I would like to share with you is the fact that colleges and universities are not just meant to, give education to the youth. It's not just meant for degrees. colleges and universities have also an important role of creating and doing research and innovation. And a lot of colleges sometimes lose track of that. The biggest innovations and the biggest ideas have come out from some of the students who have been studying in colleges and schools. And it is the colleges, schools and universities that need to provide that platform for these young minds to be able to think out of the box, to be able to innovate, to come up with technologies and processes or products that will change the world tomorrow. And what I've seen in USTM is, apart from ensuring that degrees are given, 6,000 students studying out here. Apart from the fact that students are getting degrees, a lot of impetus is put on research and innovation. And I think that is something that I really appreciate, and I would once again like to thank the entire staff and the team of USTM for not forgetting that aspect of innovation.